Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue. Many of you might experience that unsettling click or clunk sound coming from your front end when you brake hard. You know the sound, right? Host demonstrates a clunk sound. Yeah, that one. It can be a real head scratcher. But often, it points to a problem with your steering head bearings. So, what are steering head bearings? And why are they so important? Well, they're the unsung heroes responsible for allowing your front end to turn smoothly. They sit inside your frame's head tube and allow the forks to rotate. Over time, these bearings can wear out, develop play, and cause that nasty clicking sound. Let's get right to it, and show you how to check for play in your steering head bearings. First things first, you'll need to safely lift the front wheel off the ground. A motorcycle lift is ideal, but if you don't have one, a sturdy jack and some blocks will work. Ensure the bike is stable and won't tip over. Next, grab the front forks, right near the bottom triple clamp. Now, gently try to rock the forks back and forth. What you're looking for is any noticeable play or movement. This is what we call wobble. Host demonstrates the wobble motion, showing the front end moving loosely. If you feel any play, chances are your steering head bearings have seen better days. That's usually the culprit behind the clicking sound. You might even hear the click as you rock the forks. Don't worry, it's not always a major repair, but it's important to address it. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I found play. What's next? Well, there are a couple of options. First, you can try tightening the steering head bearings. Many bikes have an adjustment nut or a set of pinch bolts that allow you to take up some of the slack. Check your service manual for the proper procedure and torque specifications for your bike. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the bearings or make the steering stiff. If tightening doesn't solve the problem or if the play is excessive, then it's likely time to replace the bearings. This is a bit more involved, and you might want to consider taking your bike to a professional, especially if you're not comfortable working with tools. Replacing steering head bearings typically involves removing the front end, pressing out the old bearings, and pressing in the new ones. It's a job that requires some specialized tools and a good understanding of how your bike is put together. If you're tackling this yourself, take your time, follow the service manual carefully, and make sure everything is properly torqued when you reassemble it. Regular maintenance, including checking your steering head bearings periodically, can help prevent this issue in the future. Check for play every time you do an oil change. Catching these problems early can save you money and keep you riding safely. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more motorcycle maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.